These days, almost every home appliance you can imagine comes in a smart version. These items typically have an internet connection, allowing you to use an accompanying app on your phone to control them. Most also support various voice control techniques. Not that long ago, customer attitudes toward smart home technology were generally negative, with many asking, why bother? The better query today is, why not? Consider this. Why wouldn't you want a smart thermostat that keeps your house cozy and reduces energy costs? Maybe a smart video doorbell that enables remote viewing of visitors? These days, almost every home appliance you can imagine comes in a smart version. These items typically have an internet connection, allowing you to use an accompanying app on your phone to control them. Most also support various voice control techniques. You can easily set up your devices to carry out a specific action at a particular time by using one of the many smart home companion applications that allow scheduling. Let's dive into the video to see the best home gadgets of 2023, from smart speakers to robot vacuums. Robotic Q5 Plus. We have grown accustomed to accepting a variety of inconveniences as a necessary part of owning and using a robot vacuum after 5 years of evaluating them. They get tangled in the string. They occasionally trip over stairs. Yet with Roboroc's mid-range Q5 Plus September 10th, Wired recommends your house's most dependable cleaning partner for more than 6 months, all those issues vanished. On the first run, it mapped my house's 850 square feet for 110 minutes while still having plenty of battery life. It smoothly ran around the edge of the room, vacuuming the floor in rows, avoiding the chairs in the kitchen, staying on the step in front of the fireplace, and accurately recorded everything on the map. You can just take it up and carry it upstairs or to the basement because it can save and personalize up to 4 different maps. It's easy to add Siri voice commands, and you can yell at Siri to start from more than 50 feet away. Arlo Pro for Spotlight Camera. Smart outdoor security cameras give you a safe method to monitor the area around your home from the comfort of your couch, but many models need a hub and wiring, which makes installation challenging. On the other hand, the wireless Arlo Pro for Spotlight Camera, $199.99, is a high-resolution, weather-resistant security camera that not only records motion-triggered video but also shines a bright light on anyone moving around on your property. It installs quickly, has clear and intelligent motion detection, and gives detailed 2K video with color night vision. August Wi-Fi Smart Lock. Since we tested the company's initial product in 2014, August Smart Locks have been among our favorites. The August Smart Lock Pro received an editor's choice in our most recent review thanks to its versatility, simplicity, and attractive design. The newest model from the firm, the August Wi-Fi Smart Lock, $249.99, is also its first to feature inbuilt Wi-Fi. Together with a host of other third-party systems and gadgets, it also works with Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, and many others. Sonos One. Both Google Assistant and Amazon's Alexa, which were previously only available on select Android phones and Echo devices, are now widely available. One such device that offers both is the Sonos One. With the addition of a microphone array that enables voice assistant use, the $199 wireless smart speaker is almost identical to the $149 Sonos Play One. It is far superior to other smart speakers in this price range, such as the Google Home and the Amazon Echo. Eufy RoboVac X8. The robot's top is equipped with a small panel of buttons for docking, auto-cleaning, and spot cleaning above its laser turret. The robot's many sensors and wheels are located on the underside, along with a side brush that spins and a roller brush made of rubber and bristles. A 400 milliliters trash can that employs Eufy's UltraPack dust compression technology fits into the back end, according to the company, boosts dustbin capacity by 127% when compared to its RoboVac 30CE. In essence, it tightens the compression of accumulated dust, allowing the X8 hybrid to maximize bin space. Also, it prevents a dust cloud from erupting each time you open it. Marshall Stanmore 3 Bluetooth Wireless Speaker. This Marshall Stanmore 3 Bluetooth wireless speaker, $380, is a great addition for any music enthusiast's home. The wireless device has a classic speaker-like appearance, but it has more modern features like Bluetooth connectivity and a wider frequency range that are intended to fill even the largest places with sound, such as songs from your favorite Spotify playlist. Cosori Smart Air Fryer. The right technology can help simplify your life, and the Cosori Smart Air Fryer, $180, has established itself as one of our top picks for reducing the amount of time we spend each day in the kitchen cooking. Moan Smart Sprinkler System. With a brand new intelligent sprinkler system, Moan is making it simpler to maintain your grass. The Moan Smart Sprinkler Controller and Smart Wireless Soil Sensors make up the multi-part system, sold separately. By enabling you to set up and manage various irrigation zones through the Moan Smart Water app, the Smart Sprinkler Controller gives you more control over the irrigation system in your house. Further autonomy is provided by the soil sensors since they automatically gauge the moisture content of your soil and consult the controller to determine the best watering times. Nanoleaf Sense Plus Controls and Skylight. With the introduction of their new Sense Plus Controls platform, Nanoleaf, who is already one of the largest names in the smart lighting industry, is further separating themselves from the competition. The Smart Light Switch, Wireless Smart Light Switch, and Nala Learning Bridge, which are all equipped with motion and ambient lighting sensors, make up the Matter-enabled system, which is powered by Thread. The technology claims to learn your routine and eventually control your lights without requiring any input from you, thanks to Nanoleaf's new AI assistant Nala. The Skylight, a new flush mount fixture from Nanoleaf that uses its recognizable modular lighting panels on the ceiling, has also been unveiled. Gluckskind Ella Stroller. This received an Innovation Award and was one of the biggest showstoppers at CES 2023. It's a self-driving stroller powered by AI that appears set to replace the traditional stroller as the next status symbol among wealthy parents. The stroller not only has autonomous driving capabilities, but it also has cutting-edge features like a smart brake that prevents it from escaping once the parent is out of reach and a rocking feature with integrated white noise to soothe your baby to sleep. LG Mood Up Refrigerator. The LG color-changing refrigerator had its debut at IFA 2022 in Berlin last September, but it is already making waves at CES in the United States. Each door of the 4-door refrigerator is covered by one of 4 LED panels, which have a combined display capacity of 190,000 possible color combinations. A built-in Bluetooth speaker allows you to stream music from the 21 cubic foot refrigerator, and you can set the colors to match your music. As a special bonus for CES, LG revealed a collaboration with Pantone in which the brand's Viva Magenta, the year's color of the year for 2023, has been introduced to the Mood UP refrigerator. Masonite MPWR Smart Do. Since a new door can be purchased with everything built in, there is no need to outfit your door with a smart camera and smart lock. That is the concept behind Masonite's new MPWR Smart Door, which features integrated LED lighting, a Ring doorbell cam, a Yale Smart Lock, and other cutting-edge technology that threatens to replace all other front doors. Even better, Masonite says the door will be available at Home Depot later this year. It comes with a backup battery in case the power goes out. IKEA X Sonos Symfonisk Floor Lamp Speaker. Today, Symfonisk, a joint venture between Sonos and IKEA, unveiled its newest product, a floor-standing light speaker. IKEA shops and their online will start selling the $260 Symfonisk floor light speaker in January. Imagine the second-generation Symfonisk light speaker's long legs sticking out of the bottom and extending all the way to its circular base. There isn't much to it at all. You'll appreciate this light if you thought the previous one's design was tasteful. The floor lamp version is probably not going to make you think otherwise if you already thought it was hideous. The floor lamp option costs more than the normal Symfonisk lamp, which retails for $179.99 at the moment. Any of the Sonos soundbars can use the Symfonisk bookshelf, lamp, and wall art speakers as rear surround speakers. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel to watch more.